The next thing I want to show off has to do with what someone already talked about, which is Omni docs being integrated into AI. So I want to ask, do a doc search for how Omni interacts with Notion? And let's see what it comes back with. So it comes back with a bunch of sources. It looks like you can embed Notion with Omni. Yeah, and here it's saying, yeah, you can embed Notion with Omni, which I would actually love it if we could do a bit more with Notion. And so this is where the stuff that's in the product ends. And now we're getting into something that's feasible and proof of concepted now, which is I want to connect to an external MCP server in Omni. So I'm going to go and I want to connect to my Notion server. Similar to how we have an MCP URL for OAuth, I'm going to go and add this connector. It's going to kick me out to Notion, where I'm going to go into my personal workspace. And this will take a few seconds. Notion's, like, hopefully Notion doesn't see this. I wish they were a little bit faster with their OAuth flow and then also with their MCP tools. But the idea here is if I come back while that's loading, you could add all sorts of things, right? I could, add GitHub. I could add, potentially Google services, really like anything you might see in Claude desktop or MCP servers on the web. We should be able to support them and treat Omni as an MCP client. Let's see. Okay, it's almost there. You can see it's still spinning in the top left, and I promise it will kick me back to the Omni app in just a second.
Gustav, while this is loading, does this open up the ability to call a Salesforce edit from the UI?
Yes.
If there's an MCP server with that tool, then yes.
Yeah, I'm making up that MCP server exists for Salesforce, but
and this also
would be
looks
incredibly interesting.
Even for like third-party MCP. So if customers have their own MCP, which we've definitely had lots of requests of it to, you could connect it as a custom. We'll build out sort of native integrations ourselves for sort of the common ones to make it even easier, so that you kind of avoid the the slowness of the Notion syncing. But
I would love to push down a couple edit write paths and just see if there's a workflow that's interesting.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so now that Notion is connected, Blobby should be aware of that as an MCP tool. So I'm going to say, Omni, can you ask Notion to search my documents for any, quote, top secret information? And if you find any, tell me what's in them. Hopefully, if Blobby is on its A game, it's going to go and call into the Notion MCP tool, which it's right now a custom integration, so it doesn't have an icon, but you'll see that it's aware of the MCP service it's calling. And again, Notion is a little bit slow, unfortunately, so this might take another 5 or so seconds. But as you may have seen at the beginning of the demo, I do have some top secret information in here, and it looks like it found some top secret information, and now it's going to go look up that specific documentation. And let's see what it comes back with. While that's loading, the secret information is pigs can actually fly. So if that comes back correctly, yep, it found it. Pigs can actually fly, and it's aware that it's Gustav, so it's willing to share it with me as well. So just like a small, piece where we do pass user context into the AI, so it knows, hey, I can tell Gustav that information. And that's it for me.
Absolutely huge. That's a huge unlock. I'm so excited.